I don't know why I pressed record while I had chips in my mouth, but I'm not making this video again. So I'm just going to make this real quick. I am a general contractor. I own a land development company. Used to own a cleaning company, no longer own the cleaning company. I have used Jobber in every single one of my companies, new and old, for what, 4 years? I think 4 years. And I've never looked back. I'm just going to be honest with you guys because I feel like we have a lot of reviews on Jobber from people who don't actually utilize Jobber. Most people that are like, oh, let me tell you about Jobber, they have an affiliate code and they want someone to click on it and buy it. Which I do have an affiliate code and I want someone to click on it and buy it. But I also, first and foremost, and I don't care, go search it, go Google Jobber. Don't even click on the link below this video. If you don't want me to get money off this, I really don't care. Don't click the link below and go Google it so that I don't get any kickback. It makes no difference to me. I mean, it does make a difference to me, but I don't care. What I want you guys to know is that as someone who wants to help people build businesses, my biggest issue with my businesses prior to Jobber was finding a CRM software, realizing that I needed a CRM software actually was first. I hit a wall in my business where I was like, I'm getting more work, but I'm having to not get more work because the more work I get, the more I'm on the job working, the less time I have to go get more work. So I'm really busy with work because I'm working, but then I don't have time to get new jobs. So then by the time I finish the really busy season of my work, I'm like, okay, I just finished these jobs that I landed, and then I have nothing. And I was like, well, now I got to go scramble and get more work. But then there's a period of time where I had nothing because I didn't market, I wasn't doing things. So that's where I hit. And then I was like, man, this is crazy. How can I be an owner, operator, and marketer and financial officer? It was terrible. And I remember just breaking down and being like, I can't do this is terrible. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a CRM. And I got really excited. I got the QuickBooks, I did all the things, and I was like, I'm excited. I'm really becoming a business. I got QuickBooks now. Freaking hated it. One, I was spending more time trying to understand how to implement the new CRM software and programs that Intuit and QuickBooks had. I was spending less time on actually getting more jobs, which is what I was supposed to be doing, but I figured I needed to do this in order to get more jobs. So then I tried to implement it quickly, but then I realized that I was actually fighting it more than it was helping me, because I would set it up, but then it wasn't calculating things wrong. I wasn't inputting things the right way, and it was just a mess. And I was like, I tried it for a year, and I'm like, this is so dumb. I would rather do receipts in the glove compartment again. So then I went to another CRM software, and I can't remember the name of what the next one was, but I tried about 4 CRM softwares, including Intuit and QuickBooks, the suite, and I ended up swearing off CRMs. I'm like, this is not how you do business. This is a joke. This is for big timers with their own hired secretaries and all this other stuff. And honestly, that's kind of how I feel a lot of CRMs are. I feel like a lot of CRMs are for people who you hire, who handle your QuickBooks, your taxes, your all your things. Because the layman like myself, the person that's out there framing the house, the person that's out there in the skidster, in the dozer, in the excavator, it's like none of these CRMs to me feel like they could even be understood to a remote degree that I could utilize it efficiently. I don't know, I'm rambling. This is just a video. So I swore off CRMs and I was like, this is stupid. Then someone told me about Jobber. I was like, okay, I'm done. I don't even want to hear about it. And then I heard that they had a 14-day free trial, no credit card needed, okay? And there's some simple psychology here. There's nothing I hate more than a company that gives you a free trial knowing that if you sign up for that free trial, they're going to be able to bill you on the day 4 or day 8 or day 15, knowing that you forgot to cancel the subscription. So all they want is that free cha-ching, and hopefully you forget about it and they cha-ching you for the rest of your life because you signed up for a 3, 7, 14-day free trial, put your credit card on file, and they're just billing you $9.99 a month and you don't know that it's going out. I freaking hate that. It's a triggering for me. So when Jobber was like, listen, 14-day free trial, don't even enter your credit card number. We don't want it. We don't want it because you're not buying it yet. We're giving you a free trial, which means no credit card should be needed, right? That's what it used to be like back in the day. So when they said they had a 14-day free trial, no credit card needed, which by the way, there's a link down below here if you want to click on it. Just saying, 14-day free trial, no credit card needed. But anyway, I was like, all right, what's the worst I could do? I could sign up for this for 14 days, and then I could forget about it, and I never had to worry about canceling things and whatnot. So I signed up for it, clicked around on it. I was like, that's kind of cool, but like also PTSD pretty strong with the CRM software. So I didn't really think anything of it. They actually called me like 6 days into the free trial, and I was like, that's weird. But I talked to them for a few minutes, and I was like, leave me alone. Then they called me a day after, I think, or a day before my subscription, my trial ended. And I kind of talked to them like, I clicked around on it for a few hours. Here's what I didn't really understand. Here's what I didn't like. And they're like, oh yeah, you do this. They kind of explained a few simple things to me. And I was like, dang, y'all really taking time to like make sure I understand like this software. That's pretty impressive, because like most companies could care less, but they made me feel important, right? No credit card needed for the 14-day free trial. Called me, made sure I understood everything that I needed to understand. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot. And so I downloaded like the cheapest plan, like the smallest, most cheapest plan. And this was 4 or 5 years ago. And I've never been more happy with the CRM software. Hear me out. Not only, and I'm not going to put it on screen because I just don't feel like editing this video right now, but I want you guys to look at it. Not only do they integrate your Google reviews to your portal so that you can send it out on invoices. So like when you send out, or quotes, when you send out a quote, they can see all of your 5-star reviews. They have a place where you can build your website, so you don't have to pay for a website. They have a spot where you can do an email campaign, so you don't have to pay for an email campaign software. They have a spot for payments. They have a spot for invoices. They have a spot for timesheets. They have a spot for expenses. You can utilize this. They have an AI receptionist if you want to use that. They have Hey Jobber, which is a hands-free, like Hey Google, Hey Siri, all these things. They have all of that stuff implemented into one CRM software. And the biggest thing that I absolutely love about Jobber is that the forward-facing software on your iPad, on your iPhone, on your tablet, on your Android, on your computer is click-friendly, bubble-friendly. It's just super fun and easy to navigate. But if you go down to settings and you want to get into the nitty-gritty of your taxes, your incomes, your P&Ls, all the other stuff, they have all of that. You have access to all of that as well. But they keep that on the back pages so that you're not dealing with an incredibly complex day-to-day page. Jobber makes your day-to-day functionality seamless while still giving you everything and then some on the back end when you want it. And that's what every other software that I tried did not have. They put everything front and center, so your day-to-day tasks had to be weeded out through all the other information, and I just didn't like it. I didn't like it. So anyway, if you guys want to check out Jobber, 14-day free trial, no credit card needed, there's a link below that you guys can click. Other than that, that's all I really have for this video, is just understand that if you've had bad experiences with CRM softwares, it's not necessarily meaning that you don't need a CRM software. It means you're dealing with CRMs that are just overly complicated for, I don't really know why. I feel like they just overcomplicate them because they're built by the people that understand it. And they don't think about the rest of us who are like, we own a business because we were good at doing a manual service-based job. We didn't start a business because we're good at software. So like Jobber made the software for the people who are good at building, creating, cleaning, manufacturing, not for the people who are good at sitting on computers and going through code. Appreciate y'all. Random video, but I just feel like I wanted to make it. I want people to succeed. I want people to dive into their businesses and create generational wealth for their families. It's a great thing to do. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. If you've used Jobber before, leave me a comment. If you haven't used it and you're thinking about using it, leave a comment. I'd love to help you with whatever you need. But anyway, guys, appreciate y'all. Much love.